Hello friend and hello everyone. Now I wanna go to SMK for hangout with my friend. And in here now I'm hangout with my friend and I'm cultural student for don't go out from school. You know Api?
I know.
Okay.
I understand
This is
little.
okay guys. This is snack for hangout now. Huh?
Nyedut bare bihin nih nyedut tuh.
Nyedot.
Nah,
Oh.
ada nyedut bare.
Ano sih padahal? Udah deh percek-percek udah aja. Kayaknya udah. Lu percek udah maring. Lain. Okay guys, now I wanna open this snack and I wanna try this is taste from snack. Okay guys, this good. It's okay because this snack not expensive. And if expensive, this is not worth it, guys. Okay, guys. Sometime in night Sunday, I'm hang out with my friend because now into the in night nothing study. Okay, now battery my phone is 36. Maybe until finish my vlog, maybe 31 or 32 because my phone is old, so battery apa boros ya, lupa aku. Battery my phone not strong. Okay guys, this snack make me one drink water. And now I sit with my friend Henry Sophie, but maybe a lot of my friend come to here, guys. So guys, this is view my school. And now I'm in school SMK. You see guys, this is okay, and this is very good for you school in here. And this is a big project, but not complete now. Maybe complete in next month. And there is this office SMK, office head school, and office teacher. Okay, you know guys, this is Molan. This is for Molan for mix curricul uh, and cement and other guys. And now nothing more because now new moon guys. But now I see a lot of star in sky, and this is very good, and this is good for sea guys. But now maybe you don't see, all of you don't see the star because my phone is bad, so you can see in your home guys. Now you get out from your home, so you see to sky, and all of you see lot of star, but nothing moon because now new moon guys. And maybe uh, now date one from Zulhijjah in Hijriah guys. And in night, why nothing moon? Yeah, I answer because in night it is like one Zulhijjah in from Hijriah, or you can call Bulan Haji in Lombok, because now Muslim people go to Mecca for Haji. And if you want, and if you Muslim, you can go to Mecca if you have money for Haji. Yes, Sopies, yeah.
Yes. And this is moon. Moon for kurban.
Yes. In
Arabi Idul Adha.
yes, Idul Adha.
Naam.
And in that Muharram, not apa apa anu api barang tahun nih tahun sak biasa. Namun bulan Islam kan Hijriah, mana anu ya. Lupa aku. Masehi. And in
Ana
Masehi,
jazirun min Makkah wa anta jazirun min Indonesia.
yes,
Saya bule
Arab.
Arab.
This is my friend Arabic department in Sunandoe.
Yes.
And I'm English department in Sunandoe. But my friend can speak English little.
I can speaking English little and Arabic I don't.
Yes.
Ana أستطيع أن تتكلم باللغة العربية. English
It's okay.
can, it's okay. In Arabic, it's okay.
Yes, this is perfect.
Yes.
And Opi, you know, my viewers from a lot of from Brazil.
From Brazil.
Yes, Brazilian.
So good.
Yes, it's so good. But in Indonesian maybe in 25%, and from Brazil 50, 50 guys, 50%,
So
and Malaysia in 5%.
Apa lebih menarik?
Apa? Tahu lupa kayak. Aku girang kalau lupa barang usaha berapa sugun barang. Kadang ini
Guys, this is
snack potato.
snack potato.
Snack potato.
You want this? If you want this,
Come to here.
You go to
You go.
Alfamart. You buy version. Apa beli sendiri ya?
You buying?
You buying. Don't manja-manja ya guys.
Don't shy, dan jangan malu-malu.
If you want this is be free,
Come to here.
come here.
Come here. Because this is snack.
Because my
Next
snack
call.
is apa banyak?
Lot of
Hah?
banyak, and very much,
Very much. This
Very
is snack very much.
sangat banyak. Tidak bisa dihitung deh mas.
And can for you. Bisa untukmu nih. Kenaan ke tata bahasan lagi.
Sebenarnya saya grammar aja, susah.
Dengan Inggris doang di permasalahan grammar.
Ada sebenarnya Arab.
Arab doang di permasalahan nahu sorop nih lagu dengan Indo sa. Lu akan salah sedikit kaedah dengan Arab langgar nih doang nahu sorop merangkat satu dunia. Darat merhatian nahu sorop dengan Arab nih.
Yo aku udah ngeros bule tapi Arab melampar grammar no. Ini ngawur sedengah. Lagu si penting paham doang intinya.
Pada marah itu bahasa Indonesia. Dengan dua pasti belajar tata bahasa itu kan.
Begitu ya tuh.
Bejak mulai dia.
Mut sakadu ampun dah. Apa kamus sak ikutin kamus KBBI.
Itu yang lo gue.
Terus nyokap
kemana aja itu?
Nyokap bokap doang. Banyak anak-anak Jakarta nih kan nyokap bokap doang.
Mau kemana aja itu?
Nothing for.
If you want say in English or in Arabic apa atau or in Arabic don't you
don't problem for grammar or no sorok.
No don't care you it.
Sambung tak ada instan jarang mana jarang sih ayo muncul panas saya shower kan aur pencahayaan nih double.
In Arabic guys, in Arabic zalik ngawur don't be nahu sorop wabi bi ngawur sudah.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and this is education for all of you about Arabic language. Yes, this is Arabic development. Okay, thank you so much and see you next time and enjoy your night.
Jika kamu cari